The learning to be effectual, it needs to be delivered in a congenial milieu. At Nalanda, there exists an elite access to world-class teaching learning infrastructure which ensures students' pursuit of knowledge as a rewarding experience. Nalanda provides a conducive and safe physical environment with spacious classroom, well-equipped labs, sanitized restrooms, hostel with homely ambience, and huge playgrounds which foster the spirit of sports and games that nurtures the skills and talents of our students. As a journey into a new beginning, we stepped onto the new academic year on 2nd June 2016 with rejuvenated spirit and revitalized inspiration and fresh new dreams. Academics. I place on record my wholehearted appreciation to the team of dedicated staff who were instrumental in achieving 100% results in 10th board exam and 96% in PU. In coherence with our contemporary needs, the school curriculum is much focused and multidimensional in redesigning the students' behavioral pattern and intellectual growth. As per the ICSE curriculum, the school follows the pattern of teaching by conducting periodical performance tests and midterm exam, followed by a comprehensive parent-teachers meeting. PTM becomes an effective means to understand the children beside academic progress. Thanks for the overwhelming response of the parents and my sincere gratitude to the management for the patronage and support extended by their presence during PTMs conducted for PU and 10th standard. After completion of test and exam, rank holders and students securing 100% attendance were honored in the General Assembly as a token of appreciation and encouragement. Digitalization and globalization are converging today to redefine school education. In Nalanda, from LKG to 2nd standard, we follow the Exceed system of learning, and from standard 3 to PU, all classrooms are equipped with digital teaching system with Educom smart boards. Investiture ceremony. To infuse in our wards the significance of leadership, student leaders were elected and invested in a colorful ceremony on June 24, 2016. Master Rakshit VL of 10th standard and Master Tenzing Namgil of 9th were democratically elected by the class leaders and were sworn in as the SPL and ASPL respectively, along with the respective house captains. Sports and games. A sound mind in a sound body becomes tangible in the arena of sports. Body and mind coordination find a perfect balance at Nalanda Playground that enhances the cognitive development. The scintillating performance of our martial arts students created an impact in the state-level Taekwondo Championship held at Bangalore on 14 August, where they bagged 8 gold and 4 silver medals under the able guidance of a martial arts trainer, son Kishan Sap. Karnataka ICSE Schools Association (KISA) conducted the state-level athletic meet in Bangalore on August 29th and 30th, in which Nisarga Kushalappa of 10th standard bagged the bronze medal in athletic event. Inter-house competitions among the 4 houses, namely Tulip, Daffodil, Frisia and Hibiscus, were conducted in the games of volleyball, throwball and football in the month of July, August and September, which kindled the true spirit of sportsmanship among the players. The Pre-University College of Nalanda had organized a PUE department Taluk level sports meet on 6th and 7th September in Periyapatna Taluk Stadium. Around 2,000 PU students participated from 19 colleges. Our students brought laurel by their active participation. The culmination took place as the Sports Day on 23rd December 2016. The student athletes participated with great enthusiasm and zeal in the track and field events. Mr. P.E. Kalaya, President of Hockey, Coorg, a renowned international hockey player, presided over this exciting extravaganza and distributed the prizes to the winners. The magnificent display of martial arts and mass drill left the audience spellbound. Daffodil House emerged as the overall champions and Frisia House clinched the runner-up title. The 70th Independence Day was celebrated on August 15th with verve and vigor at NGIPS. The abundant energy and patriotic fervor of the students was depicted in the march past and in the cultural events that followed. Chairman Shri S.L.N. Sathapan and Residential Director Shri Namgil Nodup received the Guard of Honor. It was a day of triple delight, as it was a rare occurrence of the celebration of the birthday of our beloved chairman on this auspicious day, followed by the Freshers' Day for PU students of first year organized by their seniors. Teachers' Day. September 5th, the day dedicated to the selfless team of teachers, was celebrated at our school, followed by an outing of staff members to Purple Palm Resort, sponsored by the management. The Festival of Lights was celebrated in-house by the boarders on 27th October, which brought the true spirit of companionship among the hostelers, who celebrated by illuminating the hostel with lamps and bursting crackers. Children's Day was celebrated in a flamboyant manner with various competitions held for students from LKG to 10th standard. Fancy dress competition was held for junior classes, and inter-house singing competition and choreography was conducted for senior classes. The chief guest for Children's Day was Lieutenant Colonel Manisha Sharma, the Vice Principal of Sainik School, Kodagu, graced the occasion by her thought-provoking speech. We thank the parents, Mrs. Vinay Thomas, Mrs. Smita Kavirappa, Mrs. Tina Uttappa, Mrs. Kavya Suraj, Dr. Anita Muttappa, and Mrs. Vinu Puvaya, who willfully consented to be the judges for the prelims conducted in various phases. This year, on January 26th, Republic Day was celebrated with patriotic zest and zeal with an inter-house quiz competition conducted for staff on the topic based on Republic Day. The World Environment Day was celebrated on 6th June under the theme Sow Today to Save Tomorrow. For the kindergarten children, in order to emphasize the importance of primary color, the Red Color Day was celebrated on 17th June, the Blue Color Day on 15th July, the Yellow Color Day on 12th August, the Green Color Day on 16th September. An inter-house spell bee competition was conducted on 23rd June at 3 levels. Coloring competition for LKG to 2nd standard on 27th July. Recitation and declamation for standard 1 to 5. Elocution for standard 6 to 10th on 3rd September. The Kannada Rajyotsava celebration was conducted on 5th November. NGIPS was proud to release the first quarterly magazine of the year in the name of Chronicles of Nalanda on 28th September, and the first issue was received by Mr. F.A.S. Surender, a renowned educationist, retired Vice Principal of RSK Higher Secondary School, and also the teacher of a chairman. Students of NGIPS and NIPU were taken to places across India by flight. On August 26 to 28, students of standard 6 to 9 were taken by flight to the city of magnificent distances, Chennai, and then to Pondicherry. On September 29, students of 10th standard and PU College were taken for a 3-day tour by flight to the capital of India, Delhi, and then to the wonder of the world, Agra. On 26 September, students of class 2nd to 4th were taken for a picnic to Wonderla theme park at Bangalore. On 26 October, LKG to 1st standard were taken for a picnic to Mysore Zoo. Formation of school choir. The school is proud to have the Nightingales of Nalanda enriching the mind and soul by their mellifluous voices during the morning assembly prayer. Introduction of house point system. To inculcate the habit of healthy competitive spirit every week during the special assembly on Saturday, the winning house hoists the house flag, which is based on 4-prong system: general knowledge, dining etiquette, notice board decoration, upholding the language discipline. Introduction of zero period. An exclusive hour in the name of zero period is dedicated for students to involve in any one of the sporting events like lawn tennis, table tennis, swimming, taekwondo, and athletics. Renowned coaches have been deployed to act as whetstone to hone the skills of future champions of Nalanda. Introduction of Tibetan class for hostelers. Tibetan students are given exclusive training in the Tibetan language on all Sundays by Lobsang Dorji of Tashi Lumpo Monastery for 2 hours in the afternoon. Faculty Development Program. We at Nalanda organized FDP and awareness programs for the teaching faculty to keep abreast in modern trends in the field of education and society at large. Flip Learn Orientation Program was conducted by Mrs. Sumedha Kamath, Regional Manager Training of Educom, on 6th August 2016. An interactive session on the cause and effect of cancer was conducted by Dr. Vipin, a scientist from Singapore Research Lab. The usefulness of yoga was demonstrated by V. Somashekar, Mysore Yoga Association President, on 6th August 2016. I place on record my deepest sense of gratitude to the management for their unstinting support, parents and well-wishers for the patronage, my team of teachers for their relentless pursuit in fulfilling our motto, holistic education for growth and success. Every child has a vision and we fulfill it, Nalanda.